Welcome to the Windows Club. If file transfer to a shared folder stops randomly, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to disable remote differential compression. Search for Windows features in the Windows search bar and click on this option to turn Windows features on or off. Then scroll down to this option which is read as Remote Differential Compression API Support. Uncheck it and click on OK to save the settings. It will need a few minutes. Till then, we can run the Network Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot and click on it. Then select Other Troubleshooters. After this, scroll down to the Network Adapter Troubleshooter and click on Run corresponding to it to run the Network Adapter Troubleshooter. The next solution will be to check for network congestion, and for this, you will have to contact your IT administrator. The next solution will be to disable indexing of your drives. For this, press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run window, type the command services.msc and hit enter. This will open the Service Manager window. In the Service Manager window, scroll down to the Windows Search Service and double click on it to open its properties. Then you will have to disable this by changing the startup type to disabled. Click on apply and then finally on OK to save the settings. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.